Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, this is somebody new. This is somebody new that's coming in. Even though it says reconciliation, to be honest with you, this is somebody that you've never met before. And you actually dealt with this person in a past life. You know, this is the person that you're destined to be with, and they're getting ready to come in. They're asking you to, again, have patience. But I feel like if this person hasn't come into your life just yet, they're getting ready to. But before they do, you guys still have to heal, you know, with whatever took place in past relationships. So, like I said, this can go two ways. So, let's just see, you know, what comes out in the cards. Alright, Spirit. General reading, please, for Taurus. Alright, Taurus, let's see what's going on. Alright, so, the card at the bottom of the deck, you have the Two of Wands. So, this is telling me that, yeah, you guys are looking for a balanced partnership. That give and take relationship. And like I said, this could be somebody from the past coming back, letting you know that they want this with you, or this is somebody new coming in that will give you a balanced partnership. Okay. Alright, so y'all, I'm gonna tell you, this is somebody from your past. Okay, for right now, what I'm seeing, somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Now, I do feel like this person, they want to give you the truth about something that took place. And they're coming in fast to do so. Because like I said, they want to express possibly what happened, or they want to tell you how they feel. But when you look at this person, you don't want to put in the work anymore because of what they did in the past. Like, you guys are over it. You feel like you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. You don't want a new beginning with this person. But somebody wants the situation to improve. Tell me more. Oh, Lord. Devil tried to come out. Maybe somebody's dealing with a Capricorn, but yeah, somebody's wanting the situation to improve. But when you guys look at this person, it's like, you know, you guys have been working on your stuff. I'm picking up. Like, you've been healing because this person left you out in the cold before. And at this point, you just, like, learn to walk away. You're starting to heal. And at this point, when you look at this individual, you don't want a victory with them. You don't want anything with them. You really just want them to go away. So, yeah, because it's like y'all are using your intuition. It's like you now know what it is that you want, what you need, what you deserve. And this individual didn't make the cut. So they need to go. But it's like 1 minute, you guys aren't worried about this individual anymore. But the next minute, somebody's still worrying. Let me see. Tell me more about that. Where's the Four of Swords, please? Okay, so if it's not you, it's this other individual. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person wants to now take the lead to come and fix things with you. But maybe they're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Yeah. There's a lot of conflict between you guys. They feel like the situation isn't going to turn around. And they're over here trying to stay positive, but it's like they're getting out of their head now because I feel like they're scared to approach you. Yeah, look at that. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. They're scared to approach you, and at this point, you feel like you don't want them to approach you. You're ready for them to move on, but somebody's not learning their lesson here. There was definitely some type of breakup here. How about the Two of Cups? Somebody broke off this commitment, got out of a relationship. And y'all know this is a general reading, so take it, you know, for whatever plays out with your situation. And it could go vice versa. But yeah, anyway, so there was a breakup here. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But yeah, you guys are just looking for balance in your life. And you realize when you were dealing with this person, they didn't bring any type of balance. So you cut them off. You let them go. I do feel like this person still, they want to come in to communicate with you. But communication is just coming in slow. Due to the fact that somebody's still trying to weigh up some options here. Somebody's trying to figure out what to do. Yeah, because somebody wants to give the other person an offer. It's something that they've been hoping and wishing for. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here, but yeah, somebody, you know, feels like, okay, the situation needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. But they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But yeah, they don't want you to cut them off. They don't want you to keep going back to the past. You know, they want to talk to you. But you're looking at them like, please. You know, I don't see anything with you. You know, you didn't make me happy. I don't have a happy home with you. Leave me alone. You guys are realizing that you don't have any options with this individual. There's nothing more that you can do because you tried to do everything and you really can't do everything by yourself in a relationship. This person was not putting forth the work. They were lacking in an area here. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like you guys don't have hope anymore. The situation is going to work out, you know? But somebody wants the situation to improve. Watch the Three of Cups here. God, I mean, damn, you cannot make this up. Lord. Okay. There was a third party here. There was definitely a third party. And that's why you're looking at this person like, get the hell on. Like, no, I'm not doing this with you. You know, y'all know third party. Let me just say it every time. Could be another man, another woman, family member, friend, anybody, you know. But somebody was dealing with someone else, or their main priority was to someone else, and they were just playing around and were not being honest. And the way this is looking, that third party is still here. Somebody didn't end it. It's like they want to come and talk to you, but they're still entertaining someone else. Y'all, hold on. I saw the Page of Cups. Here we go. All right. So, yeah, this person, you're looking at them like, okay, the way you handle the situation, you're very childish. You're very immature. And that's why you're isolating yourself from them. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but yeah, you're over it. You don't want to deal with them. But somebody's feeling like they lost something out, you know, dealing with this person. Maybe somebody had money tied up with the other individual. Because somebody's feeling like they're taking some type of financial loss. I mean, there's definitely sadness here because of the way the situation played out, but for some of y'all, somebody had money invested somewhere, like in a business or just, you know, in accounts. Like, but yeah, somebody's upset. Somebody took some type of loss here financially. I do feel like this person is trying to come back to, you know, balance out the situation with you. Now they want to put in the work because they're coming back to give you some type of offer here. But it's not the offer that you want. So for some of you guys, this person is trying to string you along. Somebody's dealing with the fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But I'm telling y'all, somebody's definitely interfering here. It's like you guys aren't positive about the situation. I mean, god damn it. Like, Taurus, run. Please run. Run away from this person. Because, okay. Y'all got me scratching my head. Like, this is crazy. Who did I do? They had 3 queens just like this, but it was something in between. I don't remember what sign I just did today. Maybe, oh hell, I don't know. Alright, anyway. Okay, so Taurus, alright, let's just do this. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Yeah, my hand is really on my forehead because I'm over here like, you gotta be kidding me, but whatever. Alright, somebody dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, and we have an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. And I'm gonna be honest with you because, you know, I'm a very honest person. The person that you were involved with in a relationship, this is this person here. Y'all see there's 3 women. Y'all know I don't take the cards being gender specific, so take it however it fits for you. So, if you're a woman, you know, dealing with a man dealing with a woman, it doesn't matter. I don't care. But the person you were dealing with is out here. You're one of these people. I think you're this person, and there's 2 people here. So, honestly, Taurus, this is you. I feel like the person you were dealing with could have been dealing with an air sign, and then their mama's in the way, okay? So, this is a mess. This is a hot mess. Their mom is interfering. This person is dealing with you because, and this is for some of y'all, because they have finances tied up with you. You know, and that makes sense. I just told y'all. Somebody has like some type of business or something tied in together. But the person that they want to be with could be here, and they're coming off cold and harsh. So, y'all take it for however it fits, but that's for somebody out here. But yeah, it's like this person's dealing with you. They got somebody else that they want to be with, and then their mom is in the way. Grandma, auntie, somebody. This is a hot mess. And it's like, y'all don't have a peace of mind about it. About your finance either. Yeah, look at, I mean, of course the Tower is here. This is a hot-ass mess. The situation has to come crashing down. This circus gotta stop. This is, yeah, Taurus, if this is you dropping it, thank you. Y'all need to run, like fast. Get away from this. This is a mess. Somebody's dropping it. They're letting it go because they're like, you know what? This is too much. No, and you guys deserve better than that. Oh, I'm getting mad for y'all. Like, hell no. Look at this. Now somebody wants to apologize to you. They're coming back trying to tell you, you know, they're ready to put in the work. They're getting rid of, you know, the situation with the other individual. They putting their mama in their place so they can be with you. But at the end of the day, you're still walking away due to the fact this person had a lot of secrets. They were lying to you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces, but I feel like they're in their head because now they feel like they lost you, but you're like, I don't care, bye. This is a mess. You don't want to argue with this person. You're trying to get out of this drama, this conflict here. Judgment is here. Somebody needs to make a decision. You could be dealing with a Cancer here, but at the end of the day, I feel like you're not moving forward. There's an offer coming in. Tell me about the Four of Cups reverse, please. Okay, Taurus, maybe you're making an offer to someone, or you could be dealing with another Taurus. Let me see. Clarify the Hierophant reverse. Or maybe this individual that messed up, they're trying to come back, trying to smooth things over to give you an offer, but you don't want no parts of it. You're like, no, I'm getting out of this situation. Yeah, because you feel like it's just, nothing is improving. This person has something that they want to say to you, but they're not. They're not opening up. Could be dealing with an Aries, but somebody wants stability here, and they're back and forth. I feel like, okay, one minute they made a decision that they want to take a leap towards you to fix things, but the next minute, it's like they're stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. They're trying to choose between if they want to make things work with you, they want to make things work with the other person, or if they just want to, like, chuck both of y'all the deuces and stay with their mama. Y'all, I'm sorry. Like, this is some real stuff, but, oh, God, you have to laugh sometimes, because this is like, oh. Somebody dealing with a mama's boy. Or a mama's girl. I thought more so a mama's boy here. Be honest. Alright, so anyway. Let's see. Yeah, somebody wants to take a leap. But, you know, there's an imbalance here. And you don't see yourself being happy with this person anymore. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but yeah, you're over it. Let me see. Yeah, I feel like you're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. And those seeds that you planted with this person from your past, you really did want them to grow. Like, you really did love this person. Excuse me, some of you guys still do love this person. You care about this person, but this person does not bring balance into your life. Maybe somebody is having issues financially as well, because I feel like somebody's definitely worried about money. And I told y'all, somebody is stuck in a situation due to finances. So maybe if that's the case for you, you're realizing it and you're like, oh, hell no. Like, now you really got to go. You know, like, this is really bad. So you guys are just ready to start over. You're ready to move on because you're realizing the person that you were dealing with, this person is sneaky. Yeah, you could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but you walked away from this toxic situation. And now that you did that, that's all I was telling you before. There's new love coming in. Somebody's coming in fast. The universe could be getting ready to bless you to give you a new beginning with someone else. The person that you're meant to be with. Because this other individual, yeah, they stabbed you in the back. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but yeah, you're over it. And I feel, honestly, for like some of you guys who you're not supposed to be with this person, I feel like your ancestors, the universe, your angels, like they've been trying to get you away from this person, but somebody's been holding on tight for a while, you know? And it's because it's like one minute you're undecided about what you wanted to do, but the next minute you made a decision. Yeah, somebody's coming out of being frustrated about it, and they're speaking up. It's like one minute they want to speak up, but then the next minute they're not. It's like it's still a lot of back and forth energy. Somebody wants to speak up about something, but the next minute they're not. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But somebody is having a hard time. I do feel like, yeah, You guys, I feel like you're representing the Queen of Cups. At this point, you just shut down. You know, you're really sad the way things played out. You're emotional about it, but you're keeping it to yourself. You're not opening up, and you're damn sure not letting this other person know, you know, how you feel. Look at that. I mean, this is... can y'all see this? Let me see. Let me slide this over. There's definitely a soulmate connection here. I got the King and the Queen. Y'all are not on the same page. Somebody, I mean... needing to make a decision. But regardless, you feel like there's no security with this individual, and now by you moving on, you want happiness for some of you guys. For others of you, you may give this person another chance. I'm gonna be honest with you. You may give them another chance because you do see happiness here, so maybe some of you guys are willing to work on the relationship. All right. Well, Taurus, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys.